Hello viewers, in this lecture we'll be talking about all the formulas, dimension, units and common points that can help you to understand capacitance more better. First point is that the formula of capacitor is Q is equal to CV. Here it point to be noted that the C is constant of capacitance, not the charge. Second, the charge sent by battery or the charge on the capacitor. Like just suppose if the source, or we can say that the voltage is 1, so the charge here would be 4 times. If the voltage would be 2, the charge here would be 8. If the voltage is 3, the charge here would be 12. Now that's the condition, because the charge sent by the battery or the charge of 4 microcoulomb is, like this is the formula or rate of change. We can say that rate of change of voltage is, we measure it double in the double way. Like if the charge is 2, it will be divided by 4 because the rate of change of voltage, so it will become 8. Now here C upon V, coulomb per volt is equal to Farad. But here the volt per coulomb is equal to joule. Now that should be clear. Coulomb is for charge, because we know that when we are talking about the capacitor, it should be written as like Q is equal to C is equal to Q upon V. Q is equal to coulomb and V here is equal to volt. So C upon V is equal to Farad. But here the V upon C is equal to joule. The difference should be clear in your mind. Secondly, the electric lines are imaginary, not real. The magnetic rails are real. If the surface is placed parallel to the electric field, like just suppose that this is a surface and this is the charge. So the electric lines, or we can say that the electric lines coming out from the charge does not intersect. They are away from each other. But here, when these are placed together, the angle here would be 0 and the flux here would be 0. But in the second condition, when the flux is perpendicular, like in this way, this is the surface and this is the electric charge field. So it will create 90-degree angle and the electric flux here would be maximum. After that, the capacitance, charge is equal to volt, is we can say that charge is equal to volt, the dimension would be C is equal to AI Ti. Now there would be dimension like that. It will be M L2 T minus 3. Here A shows us ampere, A minus 1. These were some important points that I thought that can help you in understanding the capacitance. So, if you, thank you.